Hey man, what's good with y'all? So man, this is my second time recording this video. And I say that strictly for the fact, the first time I recorded this shit, I really was just yapping, bro. I wasn't really talking about shit for real. I was just, I don't know, I didn't really have a goal of talking in a video and shit. I was really just all over the place, and I was just like, fuck it, bro, we finna restart this shit, right? So man, yeah, so we gonna retry this again. You know what I'm saying? I'm driving home from South. I was gonna give y'all a little vlog, but this is just like a simple update video. Like I said, it's just a chill update video. I really ain't got too much planned. I just wanted to give y'all an update because it's been 18 days, you know, on my account, my mindset, you know, me quitting my job and all that other stuff. So first things first, man, if y'all ain't subscribed on if y'all ain't subscribed, you know what I'm saying, well, just wait till after the video. If you fuck with me, you know what I'm saying, you fuck with my video, fuck with my content, feel free to subscribe. If not, that's fine. But yeah, man, if y'all ain't follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all follow me, METXRO. And you can also click the link in the description to follow me. It'll lead you all my social medias, you know, all that good stuff right there. So boom. So first thing first, I want to talk about, I guess we could just simply just talk about the funded account, right? So boom. I'm not gonna say how much I'm up on a funded account, but I've been doing amazing. You know, like I'm saying, I'm not trying to jinx nothing. I'm not trying to, you know, give too much information or nothing of that. You know what I'm saying? Like I just said, I've been doing good on it. Hopefully, I continue to do good this week. I think I went. If I wasn't driving, I'd be able to look at my phone. But I think I went 2-2 this week. I think. Yes, I won 2 days, lost 2 days, but those losses were very, 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 very small. So it's like, hey man, you know, it was small losses. So like, I'm not mad at all. I really did really good this week. Like, I know 2-2 to some people might not sound as good, but bro, I promise you, once you look deeper into them losses and the wins, bro, that one win made up, like, those 2 losses aren't even half of my win. Like, it's not even close. It might not even be 1/3 if we're being 100% honest. But like I said, man, you don't have to have a 90% win rate to, you know, have long-term profitability and 70% win rate. You just have to know, you know what I'm saying? Cause yeah, losses are gonna happen, but you know, wins are gonna happen as well. And if you can execute those wins and, you know, manage those wins, like when you get them, I promise you that losing shit doesn't matter, bro. Cause like I said, there's been plenty of weeks where what the fuck? Nigga was 2 lanes away. Okay, alright, gang. Fuck it, you got it. But yeah, like, as long as you know how to, you know, manage those losses, manage those wins, and if you have a nice strategy, you know your strategy, you know how much you're risking, you're just not over leveraging, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna be good, bro. Like, I don't have a 90% win rate, I don't have an 80% win rate. I'm telling you, that shit, yeah, it would be good to have that, but bro, we gotta be realistic with this shit, right? So on the account, I can only withdraw on Tuesdays because I'm with funding pips right now. Damn, gang, were you that desperate to fucking turn? God damn. But I know y'all be seeing me raging every time I be, not raging, but just always, these niggas just here can't drive. But yeah, funded pips, you can withdraw, the payout little settings I chose is, I think it was like weekly or bi-weekly. So I think I get an 80% payout, and I think, well, either funded pips or the one that I chose lets you only withdraw on Tuesdays. So right as of right now, today is Saturday. So I gotta trade Monday. I don't have to trade Monday or Tuesday if I really didn't want to. But you know, I'ma just, you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna say too much because I'ma just, you know, we just gonna see what's gonna happen. But yeah, I've been doing really good on the account. Just hoping I can continue it, you know what I'm saying? I can't get too happy just because, you know, I'm doing decent. I got to get payout after payout after payout. Can't get happy after 2 payouts. Can't get happy after 3 payouts. I got to get, you know, I got to build myself, you know what I'm saying? I got to build my reputation. I got to build a background for myself for getting these payouts and shit. So, like I said, I'm not the best trader whatsoever. But, hey, man, I'm all right, though. You feel me? So, that's the update on the account. Like I said, I've been doing pretty good on it. Just wait until Tuesday, you know, see everything go. Boom. Now, my trading has definitely 100%, 110% picked up since I quit my job. And, you know, all I'm saying is that, hey, man, When I was working that job, I had to be there 8:30 in the morning, which is the time the stock, you know, the exchange stock, New York exchange is open and shit. You know, you get that big boost of momentum. I don't trade that personally. I have traded it in the past, but it's just something I just rather not touch. You know what I'm saying? And another thing is, you know what I'm saying, I really don't be I'll look at the charts, you know, just to see like, okay, you know, just before 8:30. But after 8:30, I really start marking shit up around 8:40, 8:45, and then, you know, hey, I'm on the charts all the way to the end, scan and see if I can get a setup. If I get a setup, I do it. If I don't, then I don't. But quitting that job has allowed me to really lock in and focus more on the charts, take advantage of the setups that are there, and not have to feel rushed or take profits early or worry about my trades while I'm working and shit. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, damn. Because it'd be a lot of times where, like, you know what I'm saying, I hop in the trade, you know, because at Amazon, before we, you know, we go drop the packages off, we got to park our vans and wait for the team ahead of us to, you know, get finished loading their packages. So we got about a good 20 minutes. Yeah, I'll say a good 20, 25 minutes to just chill in our little vans, you know, make sure our van's good shit. The vans are shitty as hell, but fuck it, that's besides the point. And in those 25 minutes, that's really all I got to do is look at the trade, because once after them 25 minutes, we got to load all these packages in our tour van, and we only get, I think, 20 minutes for that. And usually it takes all that time. Like me, if I'm loading my van by myself, it'll take me all 20 minutes. But if I get like a little bit of help towards the end of the night, I mean, towards the you know, the loading process, then I might finish with like 5 minutes spare, then I go help somebody else. But man, that job, it just held me back so much. It's just a lot of shit I'm not gonna speak on about, on like how, like, the things I was already going through in life and how that job made me feel mentally. It was just a lot of bullshit going on. But like I told myself, bro, if I know the lifestyle I want, I know I want to be successful in this shit. So in order for me to, you know, make certain things happen in the future, I had to work that job for a couple months, stack up for a couple months, endure all the bullshit. All the bullshit I endured, bro, I was just gonna charge. I was telling myself, look, I'm gonna charge it to the game. I farted. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna crack this window. It's cold as hell. Damn, I'm really stuck in this bitch with the fart. Fuck. That's tough. Damn. But yeah, like, all that bullshit I endured from that job really just made me want to lock the fuck in with trading even more. Like, just, I'm talking about lock the fuck in. Like, gang, like, I don't think when people understand, like, that's one of the reasons I was at Walmart for so long too, bro. It's like, Walmart was a shitty job, but it made me want to do better. Like, you know what I'm saying? It made me want to just lock the fuck in. Like, if I, like, all that negative energy that job has put onto me, I turned that negative energy into positive energy, grinding energy, you know what I'm saying? Where I made myself, hey, look, we finna get this shit right. No matter how many times I failed, no matter how mad I was, I could have quit, but I was like, look, bro, I'm gonna just use this. It's a positive and a negative. I hated it so much, but at the same time, it was benefiting me so much because I hated it so much, and it made me want to master my craft even more. So, like I said, bro, I worked them jobs until I literally couldn't anymore, mentally. And bro, like, those jobs literally tightened me up for like this right here, this moment right here. Because I used to daydream. I was like, once I quit, bro, I'm gonna be structured, I'm gonna be disciplined, this and that. Cause I ain't gonna lie, while I was at Amazon, I did have a little bit of psychology problems, you know, just some minor shit to tighten up, and I knew that. So all them those weeks there, I was like, look, I'm gonna lock in and I'm gonna fix this shit. So once it's my time to go, all I gotta do is just show up on time, execute my trades on time, manage my risk, and we are good, gang. Like, I promise you, that's all it came down to once I quit the job. After that, shit was chicken, bro. Like, I knew exactly what I had to do, how to do it. The only thing it was to do it. So yeah, quitting my job, bro, I don't regret it, not at all. I really feel like it was the perfect time for me, because, man, bro, like, I can't really say, I can't really tell people when it's the perfect time to quit their job. It's just something that you have to know. Like, when are you ready to, you know, take that leap? When are you ready? Because look, yeah, you could stack up a couple bands, okay, but yeah, at the same time, is your psychology good? Do you know your strategy? Are you disciplined? You got to know all these sorts of things, and they have to be all like on a good level, because all it takes is one bad thing, and your whole trading plan, trading game is all fucked up. Yeah, you can have the capital, but you don't have the strategy. Yeah, you can have the strategy, but you don't got the mindset. You feel me? You have to have all these steps in order to be a trader, and that's why it's so hard, because you can't be lacking on not one aspect. Everything has to be on point. And if one thing isn't on point, you're cooked, gang. Like, you could have the best strategy in the world. I'm talking about 90% win rate. You got hella bread. But bro, if you don't know how to take a loss or manage risk, nigga, you're gonna be cooked. Like, you're gonna be cooked. You may not see it off rip, but nigga, I promise you, I've been there. I've had like 5K racks just to play with. I've had a good strategy to trade, and my risk management wasn't there. So it was just like, damn, gang, like, because I promise you, when one thing is off, bro, it just makes you feel like you just can't trade at all. Like, it'll just feel like every single thing is off. You feel like you don't even know your strategy. You just question everything about your trading game, and it could literally just be one thing off about it. And I promise you, bro, that's why shit's so hard, because everything has to be on point. Every single thing has to be on point. Nothing can be lacking. Because if something lacking, oh, you gonna find out. You gonna find out. Trust me. That shit gonna show sooner or later. It's gonna show on your MT4. It's gonna show on your bank account. It's gonna show on your mental. It's gonna show a lot of ways. You just gotta know how to look for those ways and capitalize on it, and just simply just be like, hey, okay, I'm lacking on this. Let me try to fix it. You feel me? If you're not willing to, you know what I'm saying, do that when you know you fucking up and you know shit isn't, your trading game isn't where it should be at, trading might not be for you, bro. Because it's just, if you don't like fucking up or correcting your mistakes or being wrong a lot, you're cooked. It's just simple as that, bro. And hey, the way I looked at it when I was really trying to figure out like myself, and I kept fucking up time after time, I was like, look, bro, I'm gonna eventually just fuck up so much, and I'm gonna correct this shit each time. I don't worry about what's the next mistake I'm gonna make. Once I make the mistake, I work on it, boom, test it, okay, I got it right, let's move on to the next shit. Find the next error, boom, work on to the next one, fix it, boom. You feel me? That's just all it is, bro. It's like climbing up a rock. You feel me? You might get one little grip on a rock, boom, okay, this rock feel good, let me put my other hand up, boom. You try to lift the other hand up again, you might slip. You're like, oh, hold on, now I gotta fix that shit before I completely fall down. You feel me? So it's just, you know what I'm saying, you just gotta take your time with this shit. Don't rush the shit, fix mistakes. Just let everything happen naturally, organically. Don't pay attention to the social media. Don't get too caught up in people trading who only been quote unquote trading for like 3 months and making like hella bread. Because look, bro, everything is not what it seems on the internet. I promise you, it's not what it seems on the internet. But at the same time, I'm not saying that, you know, you can't be profitable in that amount of time. So hey, man, that's all I really got to say. So hopefully I gave y'all a little bit of good advice on this shit. Hopefully y'all listened to me. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. This is just a little update, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man.